All right, what's going on, guys? This is the trade that happened last night. It was August 31st. Um, and we're just gonna go over it real quick. And like I said, this is a quick scalping strategy, and I'm gonna show you the two indicators I have, and how I use it, and how I look back at the daily time frame and the higher time frames, and that's what helps me with my bias for the day. All right. And so I keep going over the same thing. Like I said, I'm going to beat this dead horse until you get consistent with it. And if you like this strategy, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button or the like button and the thumbs up button, and comment down below if you've been using and follow me for a little while and using this strategy. This is the quick 5-minute time frame. All right. We're trading the Kia. And then of course, if you have the certain the account size for, if you use Top Step or Apex, whatever the case, I use Top Step, so this works for me. It's on the 50K account. I suggest, if you don't really know how to trade yet, that good, if you're not that what's the word I should look for? If you're not that good yet, then I wouldn't suggest doing any prop firms. But if you got this strategy down packed, you can do it on the 50K account. If you're not as comfortable, you can do it on the 100K account as well. All right, first and foremost, what we did was go to the indicators and just type in SMA and go down to the simple moving averages by stocks and box. All right. And then once it comes up, you go to the wheel right here. And then right here, I have the 20 SMA. And if you go down, I use this because it works for me. A lot of people, you don't hear talking about this, but if you go to my SMA 9 says 500, the 500 SMA, and it works well for me, giving me that good bias as far as that goes. All right, you can make them any color you want to. Like I said, go to this wheel. I have it in yellow, and then I have my 9 in. Let's just turn it green, just to see, show you. All right, so green is for go. All right, don't trade this one. Don't trade this one until 7 o'clock p.m. That's Central Standard Time. That's when the Asian market opens. And if you look right here, all right, 2 candle highs for sales, 2 candle lows for buy, 2 candle highs, and I'm gonna show you. So it's underneath the 20, right? All right, look at here. This is my first one. I'm gonna take this off because this one is started. So completely plotted below the 20 SMA. All right. Don't touch, no wicks touching nothing. All right. Here's the second one, completely plotted below the 20 SMA. And as you can see, it broke below the 900. So that's when I jump in my trade right then and there. Look at that. Go for 30. I normally go for 20, but yesterday I went for 30 because I wanted it past a little bit past this wick right here. And if it went past that wick, hey, I'm out of the trade. All right. If you can look right here, I'm going to show you one contract. It's about 750. All right. So if you look right here, we'll just set the TP a little bit past whatever the case may be. And you go, look at that. In 5 minutes, that was 750 on your account. And then we're not going to, go up to whatever. What if I put in 2 lots or whatever the case? It's about 1,400 for not 2 lots, 2 contracts. All right. So just be careful with this because this is 25 a point. I'm thinking. No, yeah, around there. So you have to be careful with not a point, a tick. I'm sorry. All right. So you have to be careful when it comes in the Kia because this is real big. All right. Makes sense. Let's go back one more time. Let's go. If you look right here, first candle. All right. Strong momentum candle. Second candle below. That's my 2 candle highs. All right. 2 candle highs. And look, I jumped in the trade. Boom. And just yesterday, there was a lot of news that came out. And if you look right here, you can check all these news out. If you go to, let's do this. Let me show you exactly how to find it. If you hit the plus button up top, go down to economic calendar right here. This is on TradingView. This is all on TradingView. You don't have to go to Forex Factory and all that good stuff. And if you look right here, it shows you up to the minute, up to the tick. So if you look yesterday, let's see, on Thursday, if you look right here, it had a lot of good news right here. Australia, the Japan, South Korea, had a lot of strength. The bars right here tell you the strength of it. All right, and that tells you, look right here. If we go all the way down, definitely had a lot of momentum to the downside because of that news. So here's another trick that if you don't know if you should get in or stay out, or if you just once you're in the trade, if you change the Heikin-Nashi, which is up here, Heikin-Nashi bar, right here, you could have went all the way. I could have wrote it all the way down, but I like to get in and get out and go about my day because I don't have time for all that stuff. I don't know how far it's going. I like to get in and out, trade my hour, my 5 minutes to get out. But if you like to stay in here for a few hours, you can actually go over here. And then once you see it break back above the 20 SMA, you get out. Now, the only thing is you'll get rid of some of your unrealized capital already. All right, and that's the thing of that goes. But if you can see right here, in and out, hey, I'm done. All right, hopefully you guys understand that. And let's just go back. Let's get out of here. Let's erase all this and let's go to the daily time frame. This helps you out. If you go to the daily time frame, right? So yesterday was the Wednesday or whatever, Tuesday. All right, what I did was I marked that off. That's when it closed, all right? I marked off the highs and the lows of the previous day. All right, and I seen there was a lot of news coming up for Japan, China, and all that might affect the actual currency, not currency, but Nikkei. All right, so if you look right here, and then let me go back down to the 5-minute time frame, turn on my session for the Asian session. All right, I forgot. If you want to know how I got the Asian session, it's all free, JR Addicts FX. Click it. All right, hit the Asian session. All right, you can click what color you want and just make the opacity a little bit bigger. All right, and I always come mark off my 7 o'clock, my 1900 or my 7 o'clock p.m. And this is when I mark it off. All right, see what I'm saying? All right, and then right here, what I did was, I'm sorry, that wasn't definitely the low of the day. This was the low, but I marked it off right here as well. But you can mark it off the low. But if you go to New York session the day prior, that's a good entry right here. And if you can see, boom, it broke below with my 900 and my So if I look right here, boom, and look at this. This was the previous low right here. If you see it right here, you could have came. These are your support and resistance right here. Look, boom. If you want to get in at 2 o'clock this morning, boom, here's another one. Here's a retrace. Here's another one. You get what I'm saying? So if you look right here, pretty simple, plain and simple. All right. Go off the New York session as well. All right. That's the low of the New York session. All right. As you can see, it broke below both of them right here. That gives me another confluence. Hopefully you guys get that picture. Hopefully I didn't confuse you at the end. I was just showing you some support and resistance. All right. Keep in mind, do not start trading until 7 o'clock. You got it? All right. Other than that, hope you guys have a good, solid trading week. Y'all have a good day.